In today's video, we will pop out the colors of images using the free Snapseed app. So this is the image I'll be using for the tutorial, and we are starting right now. The first thing I will do is to darken the sky, and to do that I'm going to use selective colors. So with the selective tool, I'm going to decrease the brightness and increase the contrast in order to get some details in the sky. While doing some editing on the sky, some places has become darker. So with the masking effect, I'm going to make it become brighter. That is, returning it back to its normal state. So with the selective tool, I'm going to pop out every color of every houses in this image. So I will have to do some basic editing on the brightness, contrast and saturation. So to make the image look more dramatic, I'm going to use the vintage filter to get some dramatic look, and we do some basic editings on it, and also with some masking effect on some selected places. With the brush tool, I'm going to apply some dodge and burn effect to the image, making some selected places become more brighter. To create a more realistic color, we'll be using the curves, and automatically we'll be choosing the soft contrast. And as you can see, the color has really popped out a lot. So what I'm going to do next is to get a brighter look on the trees, and I'll be using the tone image for that, increasing the brightness to the highest level, and then with some bits of masking I'll get a brighter look. and I'll really try to get some adjustments on the colors of the trees, so I'll be using the selective tool for that. To make the image more vibrant, I'm going to increase the structure and sharpening.